Okay, my dear students, good morning. Today I will do some question from Sangam Mathematics, Book 9, Topic Set, Exercise 1.2.1, page 17. Let's continue from 2A. In a survey of 100 students, it was found that 50 students liked football, 60 students liked cricket, and 20 students liked both. Illustrate the information in a Venn diagram and find the number of students who did not like any of those two games. Now, its solution. Let B and C denote the set of students who liked basketball and cricket respectively. Here, number of U equal to 100, number of B equal to 50, number of C equal to 60, number of B intersection C equal to 20, number of B union C whole complement equal to question mark. Now, using formula, number of U equal to number of B plus number of C minus number of B intersection C plus number of B union C whole complement, or 100 equal to number of B 50, number of C 60 minus number of B intersection C, that is 20, plus number of B union C whole complement, or 100 equal to 50 plus 60, 110 minus 20, that is 90, plus number of union C whole complement. Therefore, number of B union C whole complement equal to 10. So, 10 students did not like any of those two games. Then, illustrating in a Venn diagram. Illustrating in a Venn diagram. We need universal set U, and inside U two subset. What are subset? B basketball and C cricket. We like both, that is 20, so in middle 20. We did not like any one of those, that is 10. We like basketball only, that is 50 minus 20, remaining 20. We like cricket only, 60 minus 20, that is 40. This is the Venn diagram. Now, question number 2b. In a survey of 120 students, it was found that 70 students liked tea, 60 students liked coffee, and 40 students liked both. Illustrate this information in a Venn diagram and find who liked at least one of the drinks, who liked none of the drinks. Let us do its solution. Let T and C denote the set of students like tea and coffee respectively. Here, number of U equals to 120, number of T equals to 70, number of C is 60, number of T intersection C is 40, number of who like it is 1, that is number of and not only T plus it is 1, that is number of T union C. Number of T union C equals to how much? Number 2, who like none, that is number of T union C whole complement equals to question mark. Now, for 1, using formula, number of T union C equal to number of T plus number of C minus number of T intersection C. That is 70 plus 60 minus 40. That is 90. So 90 students like at least one of the drinks. At least one of the drinks. 90 students like at least one of the drinks. Now for 2, like none of the drinks, that means number of T union C whole complement. Number of U equals to number of T union C plus number of T union C whole complement. Or anyway is 120 equals to T union C, that is 90 plus complement part number of T union C whole complement. Therefore, number of T union C whole complement equals to 120 minus 90, that is 30. So 30 students like none of the drinks. None of the drinks. Then we have to represent in Venn diagram. Then representing in a Venn diagram. Versus set U. Inside U, 2 overlapping subset T for tea and C for coffee. Like both, that is 40. 40 is over here. Like non complement part 30 here, and T, like T only 70 minus 40, 30, and not C, that is 60 minus 40, 20. This is the required Venn diagram. Now next question, question number 2C. Out of certain people in a party, it was found that 50 of them liked to dance, 70 of them liked to sing, and 30 liked both. Illustrate the given information in a Venn diagram and find the number of people who like to dance only if all of them like at least one of the items. Now let us do its solution. that D and S denote the set of people who like to dance and sing respectively. Like to dance and to sing respectively. Here, if all of them like at least one of the item, it means number of D union S equal is the total number. So everyone like at least one item. So we need no A. 50 of them like dance. So number of D equal to 50. 70 like sing. So number of S 70. 30 like both number of D intersection S equal to 30. Now the question is find the number of people who like to dance only. N not D. Question is N not D equal to question mark. So N not D equal to number of D minus number of D intersection S. 50 minus 30 equal to 20. Then representing in a Venn diagram 20 and D is 20. So we can write 20 people like to dance only. Then representing in a Venn diagram, here all of them like at least one of the items. So now in inverted state here that is D, that is S. Who like both, that is 30 in the middle part. Who like dance only, that is 20. Who like sing only, that is 70 minus 30, 40. This is the required Venn diagram. Now next question, question number 2D. The question is, in the survey of a group of 600 people, it was found that 300 speak English, 350 speak Nepali, and 75 speak both the languages. Institute the given information in a Venn diagram and find number 1, the number of people who speak at least one language. Number 2, the number of people who speak exactly one language. Now let us do its solution. That E and N denote the set of people who speak English and Nepali language respectively. number of n is 350. Number of E intersection n, that is 75. Now, part 1, we have to find the number of people who speak at least one language. That is at least one. That is number of E union n. Question mark. Number 2, the number of people who speak exactly one. That is n not E plus n not n. That is exactly one. Question mark. Now, for 1, number of E union n. Using formula, number of E union n equal to number of E plus number of n minus number of E intersection n. That is 300 plus 350 minus 75. Now calculate this using calculator. 300 plus 350 minus 75. 575. So 575 people speak at least one language. Speak at least one language. Similarly, for 2, number of people who speak exactly one language, that is n not E plus n not n. N not E equals to n minus intersection. So 300 minus 75 plus n not n is 350 minus 75. Now it becomes 500. So 500 people speak exactly. 500 people speak exactly one language. Again, we have to represent it in a Venn diagram. Then, to represent Venn diagram, we need component part. Number of union n whole complement equals number of U minus number of union n equals to number of U 600 minus number of union n, that is 575 equals to 25. Again in Venn diagram. U in this A and Nepali n. We speak both, that is 75 over here. We speak non-complement part 25 over here. We speak English only, that is 300 minus 75, that is 225. We speak Nepali only, that is 350 minus 75. That is 350 minus 75. 275. 275. This is the required Venn diagram. Now next number, question number 3a. The question is 50 students in a class like mathematics or science or both subjects. 30 students like science and 40 students like mathematics. Find the number of students who like both. Illustrated the given information obtained in a Venn diagram. Now here's solution. Let M and S denote the set of students who like mathematics and science respectively. Their number of S is 40, number of 30 students like science, number of S is 30 and 40 students like mathematics, so number of M is 40. And 50 students in a class like mathematics or science or both. It means number of M union S, that is 50. They like mathematics or science or both. So nobody like none. And find the number of students who like both. Number of M intersection S equal to question mark. Now you find the number of M union S equal to number of M plus number of S minus number of M intersection S, or 50 equal to 40 plus 30 minus number of M intersection S, or 50 equal to 70 minus number of M intersection S. Therefore, number of M intersection S equal to 70 minus 50, that is 20. So 20 students like both subjects. 20 students like both subjects. Then representing in a Venn diagram. Mathematics M, science S. Like both, that is 20 over here. Like mathematics only, that is 40 minus 20, remaining 20. Like science only, that is 30 minus 20, remaining 10. This is the required Venn diagram. Now next question 3b, page number 18. The question is 105 SAE students were asked what profession they like. 50 students said that they would like to be a doctor, and 70 of them said that they would like to be an engineer. If there were nobody who did not like any, find the number of students who liked both. Also show the information obtained in a Venn diagram. Let us do a solution. Solution that D and denote the set of students who would like to be a doctor and an engineer respectively. Here, nobody who did not like any. It means there is no complement part, so number of D union E, that is 105. Similarly, it is like to be doctor, so number of D equal to 50 and 70 said to be an engineer, so number of E, that is 70. We have to find number of D intersection G, like both question mark. Now, using formula, number of D union E equal to number of D plus number of E minus number of D intersection E, or 105 equal to 50 plus 70 minus number of D intersection E, or 105 equal to 120 minus number of D intersection E. Therefore, number of D intersection E equal to 120 minus 105, that is 15. So, 15 students like both professions. Then representing in Venn diagram, showing in a Venn diagram. No need of U, so D union E, so only D and E are here, not U. D doctor, E for engineer. Like both professions, that is 15. 15 is over here. Like doctor only, 15 minus 15, that is 35. Like engineer only, 70 minus 15, that is 55. This is the required Venn diagram. Now next question, question number 3C. The question is, out of 100 game lovers, it is found that 50 play football and 60 play basketball. If everybody play at least one game, find the number of people who played both the games. So the information obtained in a Venn diagram and find who plays exactly one game. Now let us do its solution. Let F and B represent the set of people who play football, and basketball respectively. Here, everybody play at least one game. It means there is no complement part, so no need of you. So number of F union B is 100. 60 play basketball, so 50 play football. Number of football, number of F equal to 50. 60 play basketball, so number of B is 60. You have to find number of people who play both. That means number of F intersection B equal to question mark. And second part, find who plays exactly one game, that is N naught F plus N naught B. Who played exactly one game, that is N naught F plus N naught B equal to question mark. Now, using formula, number of F union B equal to number of F plus number of B minus number of F intersection B, or 100 equal to 50 plus 60 minus number of F intersection B, or 100 equal to 110 minus number of F intersection B. Therefore, number of F intersection B equal to 110 minus 100, that is 10. So 10 people play both the games. Then showing in Venn diagram, showing in a Venn diagram, football F, basketball B, F B. Like both, play both, that is 10. Only football, who play only football, that is 50 minus 10, 40. Who play basketball only, 60 minus 10, that is 50. From the Venn diagram, second part, who like only one game, who play only one, exactly one game, that is N naught F number of exactly one game, exactly one game equal to N naught F plus N naught B, that is 40 plus 50 from the Venn diagram, that is 90. So 90 people play exactly one game. Okay, this is the required solution. Now next question, question number 3D. The question is, out of 120 students of class 9, 70 students play cricket, 75 students play basketball. If everybody played at least one game, find the number of people who played both the games. So the information obtained in the Venn diagram and also find who played exactly one game. Let us do its solution. Let C and B denote the set of students who play cricket and basketball respectively. Here everybody played at least one game, so number of C and B equal to 120. There is no complement data, so no need of you. 75 students play cricket, 70 students play cricket, number of C 70. 75 students play basketball, so number of B 75. Our question, who like both number of C intersection B? Question mark. Who play exactly one game? Number of exactly one game. Exactly one game equal to question mark. Now, using formula, number of C union B equal to number of C plus number of B minus number of C intersection B, or 120 equals to 70 plus 75 minus number of C intersection B, or 120 equal to 145 minus number of C intersection B. Therefore, number of C intersection B equal to 145 minus 120, that is 25. So, 25 students played both the games. Played both the games. Then showing in the Venn diagram, cricket C, basketball B. Like both, that is 25. Only cricket, this 70 minus 25, that is 70 minus 25, that is 45. And like basketball only, 75 minus 25, that is 50. From the Venn diagram, we have to find who present exactly one game. Number of exactly one game. Exactly one game equal to n not C plus n not B, that is 45 plus 50, that is 95. So 95 students play exactly one game. "95 students played exactly one game." This was for 3. Now, next question, question number 3. A survey is taken among 80 people. It was found that 10 people liked both, 2x people liked hot drinks, and 3x liked cold drinks. Find the number of people who like hot drinks if all of them like at least one drink. Illustrate the information obtained in a Venn diagram. Now let us do a solution. Let S and C denote the set of people who like hot drinks and cold drinks respectively. Here in the question, all of them like at least one thing, that means no complement parts, so number of S union C equal to 18. 10 people like both, that means number of S intersection C equal to 10. 2x people like hot rings, number of S equal to 2x. 3x like cold, so number of C equal to 3x. Now the question is, find the number of people who like hot drinks. Number of S equal to 2x equal to question mark. Now using formula, number of S union C equal to number of S plus number of C minus number of S intersection C, or it equals to 2x plus 3x minus 10, or it equal to 5x minus 10, or 80 plus 10, 90 equal to 5x. Therefore, x equal to 90 divided by 5, that is 18. Then we have to find number of s. Number of s equal to 2x equal to 2 times of 18 equal to 36. So I got things 36 people like hot drinks. Again, representing in Venn diagram. Representing in a Venn diagram. We need number of C also to represent in Venn diagram. Number of C equal to 3x equal to 3 times of 18, that is 54. In Venn diagram, S and C. Intersection data is 10 here, 10, and that S, that is 36 minus 10, that is 26, and let's see 54 minus 10, that is 44. This is the required Venn diagram. Okay students, this was for today. Have a nice time, have a nice study. See you soon.